Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you how premium gray Brahman leather and horns are transformed into luxury bags, jackets.
Check the wrapping on the grey hides. Ensure no moisture.
Confirmed. We are sending this pallet to Station 3 now.
Advanced processing preserves the leather's strength and the horn's natural beauty before precision manufacturing begins. Every luxury product is carefully inspected before being approved for customers worldwide.
And that's how gray Brahman leather and horn are transformed into premium luxury fashion products, from raw material to timeless craftsmanship. Thanks for watching.